for the genes, little guy. This should cut those anomalies down to size. Aha! Perfect timing. Can't wait to test this puppy out. Now, what seems to be the... Oh!
Dr. Harlow, help!
Get down!
What the... Is that the stalker? What'd you do to it?
I utilized the latest development in anti-anomaly technology. I call it the Babifier.
So instead of destroying the anomalies, it just turns them into harmless babies?
Exactly. Welcome to Baby Animal Hospital. There. Now take this and zap any anomalies you see.
You got it, Doc. What was that? Okay, you're totally an anomaly. Gotcha!
Sheesh! It is raining cats and dogs out there! Oh, and apparently fishies too.
Liz, stop! That's not a normal fish!
You're right! It is dinner! I swore!
Oh man, sorry Liz. You didn't give me much choice.
Fishy!
Hey, quit it already. Come on, let's just hope Dr. Harlow has a way to reverse all this. The rest of you just stay put, okay? I'll be right back.
The coast is clear. Time to grab some yummy chocolates. But wait, what's this? Looks tasty. I don't feel so good. What the? Oh, this is just great. Hey, you guys are babies too, huh? We gotta find a way to fix this. Wait, you have a plan? What's happening? I get it. So it was Dr. Harlow who made us this way. And you were the first victim. But now we outnumber him. So it's time to get our revenge.
Yep, that's a baby, all right. You put the tiny anomaly's DNA to good use.
Only problem is, Liz isn't an anomaly. Don't you have a failsafe for this sort of thing?
Truth be told, this one's always snooping around. She could use a good timeout.
We can't just keep her with the other anomalies. They could still be dangerous.
Ah, not likely. But fine, I'll work on a cure. In the meantime, take her over to the news station. They love feel-good stories about lost kittens.
Okay, come on, Liz.
All right, synthesizing a reversal cure. Just have to carry the one and... Ah! What is this?
Now, my fellow babies!
Ah! No! No!
Decisions.
Sorry, pal. Down with grown-ups. What a great power nap. And I've got my maple syrup to ward off any bed monsters. Ah! No way! But how? Oof.
All right, I'm back. Wait a second. Dr. Harlow,
Intern, thank goodness. You'll never guess what happened.
let me guess. The babies took over?
Exactly. Who could have thought? Luckily, I began synthesizing a cure, and it should be just about ready.
But Doc, isn't that all the way in your office? He'll never get there in one piece.
That's not true. Intern, take my vacuum gun. It might just come in handy.
Oh, and I have a teddy bear. Could be useful.
Alls I got is maple syrup, but hey, you never know.
These'll all have to do. Okay, here goes nothing.
That intern is our only hope.
That is not reassuring.
Come on, come on! Take this! That's one down. Gotta keep moving.
Just where do you think you're going?
Take this!
My lunch! Wait! No!
This'll come in handy. The doctor's office is just up ahead. Here goes nothing.
I love you!
Aw. I mean, no time. There it is, the cure. Thanks, little guy. Now to turn everything back to normal. You're welcome.
And just like that, the animal hospital was saved! But what about me? What the heck? Like the video, subscribe, and comment